In today's business world, efficiency and security are non-negotiable. Managing client or external personnel visits requires speed, precision, and total control. With iEntry Visitors Management, the process starts before your guest arrives. An invitation is sent directly from the mobile app, initiating a secure, seamless experience. The visitor pre-registers from their phone. They scan their official ID, take a selfie, and our system confirms their identity instantly. Upon arrival, the host receives an automatic notification with the exact location of the meeting. Facial recognition grants access only to authorized areas, ensuring top-level security. Parking, fully automated. License plates are recognized and spaces are assigned instantly according to the visit schedule. The invitation shows who will be present, the corresponding office, and any relevant information so the visitor is always well informed. No pre-registration? No problem. On-site registration is fast through a digital kiosk or with security staff assistance. iEntry stores data, generates whitelists and blacklists, and helps you manage visitor profiles strategically. From the admin panel, track every visit in real time, accepted, tentative, or rejected. The control is always in your hands. Additionally, when the invited guest arrives at the office, the host receives an instant notification, streamlining the process and enhancing the visitor's experience. In business, every minute counts. iEntry Visitors Management saves time, improves the visitor experience, and strengthens your security. Smart management for safer, faster, and more reliable access.